Hello, welcome to Wellste, a leading large-scale window and door manufacturer straight from China. Our 20,000 square meter factory has an annual capacity of 100,000 plus square meters, giving us the scale and flexibility to meet your needs. Our delivery time is normally 4 to 5 weeks. We have cloud warehousing so that urgent orders can take just 18 days. We ship our products worldwide, covering North America, Europe, Australia, Canada, and beyond. Perfect for commercial and residential use. Our windows and doors are energy efficient, well insulated, storm resistant, and noise-proof. Our quality is backed by international certifications, CSA, AS2047, AAMA, etc. And every single window goes through strict testing before it leaves our factory. Need customization? Our 20-plus designers craft tailored window solutions for you. Any post-order issues? Reach out. Wellste's support team resolves them promptly. When you choose Wellste, you're choosing reliability, quality, and a partner that's got your back.